Welcome back, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do some start examples, and I'm going to do all those examples. I hope that helps you find an understanding. Remember to write your name or write the date before we start. So I'll actually write my name this time. So, sorry guys. Um, my name is Jonathan, and today, what I'm recording this is August 29, 2021. Okay, let's hop right into it. So, the first thing they ask you is to write the numbers in standard form. What standard form is basically is, they are just the numbers. Like, there's the words, there's there's the one with place values. Writing in standard form is just basically just the number. So, number 3, they ask for 400s, 2 10s, and 1 1. So we know that the hundreds is in the third value because 100 has 3 place values in total, and this is where it is. And 2 10s has a tens value have 2 slots. So there's going to be 2 numbers. So this is going to be in the second slot out of here. And ones when you have 1. So the answer is 421. 4, 2, 1. Okay, next one they ask you to write the values of the bolded number. So number 6, we have to find the bolded number right here in 3462. So again, remember that this is the ones place, the tens place. Let me write the numbers. 100, hundreds, and 1,000. Let's just stop at 1,000s for now. And 1,000s. Notice how every time there's a new value, there's an extra 0 added at the end. And the placement of the number right here is is where that value is. So if we're looking at number 4, if we're going to look at number 6 at the bolded number, which is 4, it's at the third value right here, the third slot. Also, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. So, since this is the third value, or the third place value, it'll be in the hundreds place. And that's it. Hundreds. But just hundreds. Yeah, right there bullet about them. Okay, continue on. The next one, they're going to ask you to find the sum, which is just basically adding. What I like to do is I like to stack numbers like this. Order does not matter because it's commutative, and yeah. So we're going to start from going from left to right, like this. Think of it like that. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. When there's multiple numbers to add instead of just 2 numbers, I like to add by 2's first. So these 2 numbers connect and they add up to 5, or add up to another number, and that number is paired with the other numbers to just add. It's just easier and it's more organized. So 5 plus 5 is 10. We put the 1's value on the bottom, the 10's value on top. So now it's 1 plus 1, which is 2. So The answer is 20. Another way you could do this is start with a pair of two numbers. So 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is 15. And then that answer with another pair. So 15 plus 5 is 20. But I just think this way is a bit faster. Okay, we're going to do one word problem. Remember, when doing word problems, underline words with numbers, what they ask you, and keywords that will tell you the operation. So, if they said that, Anna has 48 inches of string to make a friendship bracelet for her friends. If she uses 6 inches of string for each friendship bracelet, how many friends will she give the bracelet to? So let's write down that we know that she has 48 inches of string, and she uses 6 inches of string for each friendship bracelet. So the word each is usually relates to fractions. Fraction usually relates to divide. So when you divide, we're dividing from 48 inches to 6 inches. Does that make sense? Not sure. Anyways, so we put 48 inside the divisor and 6 on the outside. Since there's only one place value in the outside, we start right there. If it's like a different number, like 16, we will start here. Yeah, and so on. Okay, so how many times can 6 go into 4? Since 6 is greater than 4, and 6 times 1 equals 6, and that's way out of the limit, the closest number, or a number that's smaller than 4, that is multiple of 6, is 0. So 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract this out. 4 minus 0 is 4, and back to 8. If that happens, that means it's going to be from a number of 1 through 9. So, how many times can 6 go into 48? Well, we know that if you know your 5s, 6 times 5 is 30. And if you add 6, that's 36. And another 6, that's 42. And another one is 48. So we know from 5s, we added 6 3 times. So 3 multiples of 6 plus 6 times 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So therefore, 6 times 8 is going to equal 48. That's what I do when I don't know where to start. There you gotta stop. Okay. So, therefore, how many friends will she give the bracelet to? 8 friends. Because they're asking about how many bracelets can she give to that amount of friends. And that's it. Remember to write your units. And yeah, hope it doesn't too hard. And good luck, everyone. Remember to write the name, write the date, and have a good day. Okay, bye.